In this section, we will explore how a biocomputer breakthrough by an innovative UK-backed biotech company is accelerating the development and manufacture of cheaper drugs and vaccines by using DNA molecules as logic gates. Biologic Technologies is a biotech company that has invented the world's first biocomputer, a device that can perform complex calculations using biological molecules instead of electronic circuits. The biocomputer consists of 3D printed lab-on-a-chip platforms, which are miniaturized devices that integrate multiple laboratory functions onto a single chip. These platforms can analyze biological samples faster, more efficiently, and more cost-effectively than conventional methods, with applications ranging from drug testing to point-of-care diagnostics. One of the key features of the biocomputer is that it uses DNA molecules as logic gates, which are the basic building blocks of any computation. DNA molecules can store and process information based on their sequences and interactions with other molecules. By designing and synthesizing specific DNA sequences, Biologic can create custom logic gates that can perform different operations, such as AND, OR, NOT, and XOR. These logic gates can then be combined to form more complex circuits that can execute various algorithms and functions. The advantage of using DNA as logic gates is that they are highly scalable, programmable, and adaptable. They can also interact with other biological molecules, such as proteins and enzymes, which are essential for many biological processes and applications. For example, Biologic can use its biocomputer to control the expression of genes or the activity of enzymes in a precise and dynamic way, which can enable new possibilities for drug discovery and development. Thanks to a grant funding program run by Innovate UK, the UK's innovation agency, Biologic was able to access the expertise and advanced equipment of the National Measurement Laboratory, NML, hosted at LGC. This helped them to gain a deeper understanding of how the plastic materials used in 3D printing the chips interact with biological applications. As a result, they were able to improve the biocompatibility and stability of their lab-on-a-chip platforms, which means they can support more robust and reproducible biology. This biocomputer breakthrough has significant implications for the pharmaceutical industry and the healthcare sector. By using DNA molecules as logic gates, Biologic can accelerate the development and manufacture of cheaper drugs and vaccines that can address unmet medical needs and global challenges. For instance, they can use their biocomputer to design and optimize novel synthetic biology pathways that can produce complex molecules or biosimilars at lower costs and higher yields. They can also use their biocomputer to create rapid and accurate diagnostic tests that can detect diseases or pathogens at the point of care. Biologic Technologies is a prime example of how innovation in biotechnology can transform healthcare and society. By harnessing the power of DNA as logic gates, they have created a revolutionary biocomputer that can solve problems that are beyond the reach of conventional computers.